Assalamu alaikum, dear all students. Welcome to all of you in technical writing course. Today in this video we are going to learn what is technical writing, what is its purpose, how is technical writing done, when should it be done, who does technical writing, how can you know when technical writing is done well. So first of all, let us see what is technical writing. In fact, technical writing is the transparency of expression. Technical writing is very much helpful for the smooth running of any organization, like any factory or anything that is supported by the machines, or that is in the factories or the organizations which include different kind of technical support for the smooth running of that organization. Technical writing is very much important there. In fact, technical writing is a drawing towards the ultimate success and goal and smooth running of any process. So what is technical writing? Technical writing is communication, the primary aim of which is to convey a particular piece of information to a particular reader or group of readers for a particular purpose. Technical writers design, write and edit documents of engineering, scientific, industrial and governmental organizations. They give online help, they write manuals, they give instructions, reports, proposals and various forms of letters as well, like technical reports writing, computer manual writing, brochures, proposals, technical specifications, educational and training materials, and marketing and public relations releases. All these kinds of material and things that are very much important for the running of an institute or organization, they are supported by technical writers. In fact, we can say that technical writers write technologies. Next, let us discuss some key skills in a technical writer. A technical writer should have the following key skills. First, facility with technology, ability to write clearly, talent in showing ideas graphically, patience in problem solving or troubleshooting, and ability to interact with SMEs. SMEs mean small, mid-sized enterprises, or small enterprises or small organizations. And let us discuss for whom or who do they work for. They work for software development firms, e-learning and scientific fields, engineering and manufacturing, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, telecommunications and networking, and there are many other fields for which the technical writers work for. And a technical writer may be a technical writer, instructional designer, technical editor, content writer, information developer, usability analyst, information architect, documentation specialist, technical publications manager, and technical problem solver as well. In fact, the purpose of technical writing is to present information comprehensively, to present information in an appropriate format, to organize details with concise and appropriateness, to use jargons sparingly and after an audience analysis, to accurately record the activities of an organization. All these things are done by technical writers. A technical writer should be equipped with the following key skills. First, he should be he should understand online help systems, Adobe help, RoboHelp, For example, Acrobat Writer to publish PDF format of the content. He should be a good command. He should have a good command on Microsoft Word, Authority, graphic capture tools, Adobe FrameMaker, writing, information designs, editing, proofreading, style guides, standards, and publishings. All these things should have uh, equipped in a technical writer. A technical writer should have a good command on all these technical tools for writing a good kind of technical document. Let us discuss some basics of technical writing. Technical writing requires transparency of expression and therefore a straightforward use of language. Technical writing requires the recognition of the overall goal prior to beginning of a document. Writers must have knowledge of the intended audience. Very important thing. Intended audience. Documents must include certain key concepts so the information can be easily understood by the intended readers. Technical writing is solution based. So, what are the key concepts needed to create an effective technical writing document? First of all, know the intended audience. What are the intended audience for whom you are going to write? For example, you are going to write a manual for the audience who are using a mobile phone. So you will write how the manual of the mobile phone, how the audience will use it. So know the intended audience, understand the goal of the document. What is the purpose of the document which you are going to write? Follow the pyramid method of writing. Pyramid method means, first of all, you should have a good understanding with the thing for which you are going to write technical manual. After that, you should have a good command on the devices or tools that are used in that specific thing, and after that you should keep in mind that what is the intention of the audience for which you are going to write a technical manual, that how and what way that manual is helpful for the audience. Use an active voice when writing. Use clear and concise language. Use illustrations to help clarify meaning. Prepare and draft and then write a final copy. Here this picture shows that if you are going to write a technical manual of an aeroplane and you have committed a mistake in the manual in which you have given an information that how to run an aeroplane, and the pilot pressed a wrong button while reading your manual about that the process of running of an aeroplane, flying of an aeroplane, it can cause of the damage and loss of hundreds, thousands of the people as well as the money. So in the end, we can say that technical writers write technologies, and technical writing is very much important and critical. And if you are a technical writer, you should have a good command on all the things and information that are required for writing technical document, so that it may be very much helpful, because there is no chance of a single mistake. A single little mistake can be harmful so much that it can be a cause of the death of a person even. So this was all about technical writing. Inshallah, in our next lecture we will discuss about characteristics of technical writing and other things. Stay always blessed, and Allah Hafiz. And finally, if you have any problem or issue, you can write in the comment whatever you feel that you are not understanding the things that are presented in this lecture. So thank you so much, and stay always blessed, and Allah Hafiz.